With Realize Homestead, and I just want to say, be glad you can't smell me right now because it's been a long hot day and I've been dealing with a lot of food waste. And anyways, let's move on. This here is our plant nursery, and as you can probably see, we use the spruce trees to be our fence posts, and we just set the fence up in there, and so that really helps create a little microclimate for the plants because they're sheltered from extremes of wind and temperature. And yeah, why don't you come in? So basically the nursery here is been a little neglected. You know, this was originally where we started the plant nursery for Edible Trails project, but that's moved over to the community gardens area and the seeds farm, and a lot of my energy is going over there now. But we still have this going, and fortunately at this time of the year it doesn't take much to just hold the plants and let them grow. They just need water. And now it's, you know, we're in the beginning of September, so we're getting more rain, so we don't have to water too much. But what we did set up for irrigation is just a simple sprinkler right here, and I have it on a little twist timer. So during the summer I would just twist it on and let it irrigate all this stuff, and that's pretty much all we do. Things that we want to grow quickly, we put them kind of out here in the sun, and things we want to grow more slowly, or things that need to be more moist, we put them kind of back in the more shaded part of the nursery. And that's also where we have our mushroom logs going. Actually, come check this out. We got a ton of mushrooms popping up. Woo! Oh man! I totally did not expect this. This is like, we've never gotten this big of a flush of shiitake mushrooms. So, good work. These logs were inoculated at Bernie and Sandy Ware Farm. They did a workshop with Island to inoculate mushroom logs, and yeah, these are shiitake mushrooms. Beautiful, delicious. These are maple logs. Anyways, that's a whole other subject. But yeah, they're back here, and they get irrigated by the sprinkler, and also they're in the shade here so they don't dry out. But anyways, back to the plant nursery. So what we're doing with the plant nursery is collecting useful species that grow in this habitat, in this climate, from all over the world that provide some sort of useful benefit, either for us as food or...
I'm gonna go to the other side because...
All right, or like building construction material or medicine or something like that. Or they provide some benefit for the ecosystem, such as this comfrey, which is a good mulch plant. I mean, you can use it as medicine actually, but you can chop the leaves and drop it on the ground, and it's really rich in nutrients, and it'll feed the soil. There's also other plants with these beautiful flowers like lemon balm that will bring in pollinators, all the bees and the butterflies. So, you know, we're kind of building a whole ecosystem here that eventually, you know, we're growing it more to maturity and then throwing it out onto the land everywhere, and it'll feed us, it'll feed our pigs, it'll feed the soil. One big happy family. But yeah, some examples we have here are Korean nut pine, we got Chinese chestnut, hazelnuts back here. There's like peaches and plums, native ones we got from Oikos, which is an awesome resource to check out in Kalamazoo. They're doing great work. And like perennial vegetables like rhubarb, asparagus, sea kale, all sorts of things. So anyways, great idea to have a plant nursery and grow your own ecosystem. See you later. Check out our website, realizehomestead.com. Thanks.
Like our video.